we are going to learn about the passage number third. Passage number third, from when the travelers to the till to end. Okay. Now, with the help of camel, King Lion as well as his courtiers start their journey towards the forest. Okay. Now, let's see what will happen. Okay. When the travelers reached the forest, they were all tired and hungry. The fox, the leopard and the vulture looked at the camel. Then they looked at each other and smiled hungry smile. Okay, students, the travelers when reached in the forest, they were tired and hungry. The leopard, the fox and the vulture looked at the camel and to look each other, and their smile was hungry smile. Now they have brought camel from the desert in the forest. Now it is time to feast time. They want to kill now camel. Okay, and after the lion's dinner they want to eat camel meat. Okay. Now see, they had brought the camel for the king's dinner. Now it was the time for the feast. The Lion King knew what his courtiers were thinking. He called the camel to him. Friend camel, he said, I have to thank you for saving my life. You are welcome to look at my court as long as you like. I promise you my protection. Okay, students, the Lion King now knew that what his courtiers were thinking. What they were thinking about the camel, they want to now kill camel and want to eat that camel meat after the lion's dinner. And that all who know about that, the Lion King. Okay, that's why he called the camel to him and said, friend camel, I have to thank you for saving my life. I want to say thank you for saving my life. You are welcome to live at my court. You can live as long as in my court, and I will promise you, I will give protection you. Okay. Then next, the lion's courtiers were shocked. Had they not risked their lives so that he could try camel meat? And the king wanted to let the camel live. The courtiers were not pleased with his decision, yet they could not do nothing. Student, when the all courtiers listens, lions talking, what he said? He said to camel, thank you for saving my life. You can live in my court as long as, and I will protect you. That time, the lion's courtiers were shocked because had they not risked their lives, so that means they had brought the lion camel from the desert, from away after the many effort. Now lion was saying, I will give protection, I will protect you. That time they were shocked. Okay. Then but the king wanted to let the camel live. The courtiers were not pleased with the Lion King's decision. Okay. But they can't do nothing because lion was a king. That's why he could not do nothing. Okay. Now see. Now the lion's paws were so badly burned that he could not go hunting, but that did not keep him from growing very hungry indeed. Fox, leopard, vulture, he shouted, don't you see that I am ill and hungry? Go and get me some the lion's paws were burned, and that's why the lion can't walk properly, and that's why he said to his courtiers, fox, leopard and vulture, don't you see I am ill and hungry? Go and get me some food. Go in the forest and bring some food for me. Okay. The courtiers had to obey the king, so out they went. But they did not go far. They sat down in a safe place and discussed what they could do. Students, the all courtiers want now camel meat, but lion said to them, I will protect the camel. You all go in the forest and bring some food for me. That time, the all courtiers had to obey his order because he was a king. That's why they did not go far. They sat in a one safe place and discussed what could do. Okay. I know, said the fox after a while. We shall make the camel ask to be eaten. Okay. He told the authors of his plan. They all agreed. So back they went to the king. Student, after thinking, now the fox had a plan. What was the plan? The plan was that we shall make the camel ask to be eaten. Means the camel will say, you eat to me. Like that their plan was. Okay. He told his plan to his courtiers, and they all agreed and came back to the king lion. Okay. First the vulture stepped forward. Your Majesty, he said, bowing low, we had found no food, but we cannot let your Majesty suffer. I am a poor creature, eat me. Student, the vulture came forward to the Lion King and said, we have found food but not got. Okay. But we cannot let your Majesty suffer. Means you are hungry and you want food. I am a poor creature. You can eat me. Okay. Now you are hungry. I am a poor creature. Can you eat me? Okay. Who said? Vulture said. Okay. Now see. Next. The fox pushed the vulture aside. I have more meat on me, he cried. Eat me, your Majesty. Now, when the vulture said to the lion, or saying to the Lion King, we have found food, but we did not get. I am poor. Now you are suffering for hungry. You want food. I am a poor creature. You can eat me. After him, the fox pushed the vulture aside and said, I have more meat on me. You can eat me. Okay, your Majesty. Now the leopard rushed forward. I am not much good, he cried, but I could make a meal for the king. And he rushed forward and said after the fox, I am not good, much good, he cried, but I could make a meal for the king. Means you can eat me. Okay. The camel listened all these offers. He must do as much he thought. Your Majesty, he said, I too am willing to give my life for you. Please eat me instead of these old friends of yours, who will be more useful than I am. Student, when that all offers, camel listened and Lion King, Your Majesty, you can eat me. That all olden courtiers or friend, you have useful more than I. Okay, please eat me instead of these old friends of yours who will be more useful than I am. Okay, this was what the fox, leopard and vulture were waiting for. They prepared a jump at the camel, but the lion stopped them. When the camel said, "You can eat me," that time that was the fox, leopard and vulture want. Now they are all in preparation of, means they want to now jump. Prepare to jump at the camel. Okay, because now camel said, "You can eat me." Okay, that's why they prepare to jump at the camel. But who stopped them? Lion King, because Lion King gave him, "I will protect you." Okay, said, "You are all good and loyal subjects." He said, "My heart is touched by your offers. I accept them all. I shall eat you in the order in which you offered yourself." Student, after the listening all offer, the Lion King said, "You are all good and loyal subjects." Subject means my people, courtiers. Okay, you are all good and loyal subjects. My heart is touched by your offers. I accept them. Okay, all. I shall eat all you in order which you offer yourself. Means first who offered? Vulture. After that fox. After that leopard. And after that camel. Now lion want to eat all his courtiers. They have offered themselves orderly, and like this order, they want the lion want to kill them. Okay, the vulture, the fox, and leopard were shocked. Away flew the vulture, away ran the fox and the leopard. They were never seen in the forest again. When the lions talking, they listened, they were shocked. The vulture flew away, the fox and leopard ran off, and they never seen, they were never seen in the forest again. Okay, away flew. Okay, the lion laughed to see them go. Then he turned to the camel and said, "You have been loyal and good. You shall be my friend as long as we are alive." Student, when the vulture flew away, fox and leopard ran off, and they were never seen in the forest again. Then the lion turned towards the camel and said, "You are my best and loyal friend. You have been loyal and good. You shall be my friend. Okay, you can live as a long time as we are alive. Till to live alive. We are alive till to you can live with me." Okay. The camel was happy and grateful. The lion thought to himself, "To be king is good, but to be kind is better." The camel was happy and grateful, and the lion thought to himself, "To be kind, to be king is good, but to be kind is better." Understood, student? What is the moral of this lesson? To be king is good, but to be kind is better. For anyone king, which quality should be want? Must be want, student? To be king is good, but to be kind is a better. I hope you understood this lesson. Our lesson name was The King's Choice. Student, I have written some difficult words, hard words on the blackboard. You have to write